It's just not going away.
Welcome to Burning Questions. I'm Charlie, condition monitoring engineer with AssetWatch, vibration analyst. Here's the show where we tackle the questions everyone's thinking about reliability, but don't ask out loud. What are some of the hottest myths in reliability?
One of the things I hear is we don't have enough manpower. And they think by adding a new system that's going to create more work, actually introducing a true condition monitoring program like AssetWatch, where you have a dedicated analyst. You don't have enough manpower to get your PMs done. You're reacting to outages, whereas adding, online condition monitoring, you're empowering your team to make decisions that matter today rather than continually trying to fight fires. They're getting a reliability engineer in a box.
Question for you guys is, what is asset health?
It's really a true current condition of your equipment, but through condition monitoring, vibration analysis. So you have your vibration data looking at bearing health, alignment, structural issues, and then you have oil analysis where you're looking at lubrication health. So really being able to measure the true current condition of your equipment and extend its life. Let's heat things up.
To answer your question, asset health, as he stated, is, we use a couple different things. So vibration, temperature monitoring through triaxial accelerometers to take full spectrum snapshot on a set schedule. On the oil analysis side, we actually pull samples, send it to a lab, and that's also interpreted by, a lubrication engineer. Holy cow, this is hot. So they have those two things working as one single source of truth, right?
It gives you a full picture of the whole machine when you combine the both, right?
Yep.
So
What are some ways that we can go from reactive to proactive maintenance in the AssetWatch journey?
yeah, the big thing is just, taking the first step, aligning with your team on a solution that fits. And AssetWatch is probably the easiest deployment they'll have. And this is probably going to be regretful.
It's not easy.
Yeah, it's creeping up on me. But to answer your question, the first thing is awareness, right? Understanding kind of what state and where you operate in, right? There's a couple different phases between, reactive, preventative, and predictive. We will help you every step of the way to get you to the most proactive, most predictive models possible. And the good thing is, the good thing is that, we build a teachable and a scalable process. So we're going to be with you every step of the way, making sure that we're guiding your team to the results that you want, so that could actually be measured in something that you guys look for. It's the lowest lift on your end.
Sorry, my whole system's misaligned right now. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to not be okay.